Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am cooking rib tip. So if you guys want to see how I accomplished making this dish, please stick around my channel. So today I am cooking some pork rib tips. I already went ahead and washed my pork with some white vinegar. I'm gonna just go ahead in with some ground ginger. Some garlic salt, onion powder, bash, my famous red peppers. Yes, I cannot eat food without flavor and spice. It's just wouldn't work. I love affair with turmeric. I cannot explain to you how important turmeric is to the body. It cures a lot of illnesses. So I put a little bit of turmeric in almost everything I eat. Black pepper. And obviously my all-time favorite, I cannot have enough of pimento seed. Alright, so we're just gonna rub that together. And then a dash of soy sauce. You want to make sure that your meat is properly seasoned for flavor, because there's nothing worse than eating a piece of meat that feels like you're eating dry cardboard. No flavor. Hashtag not cool. I already went ahead and cut up all of my seasoning that I'm using today. I have my red bell pepper, my yellow bell pepper, my onions, and I need some thyme, which I do have here, and we're gonna put some scallions in there as well. That would be all our seasoning, and that's just what we're putting on our dish today. Alright guys, we're gonna let this sit. We're gonna let this sit for about an hour in the fridge. We're gonna let this sit for about an hour in the fridge. Now we're gonna stick it in the oven. See you guys in about an hour. Okay guys, so it's been an hour. I already went ahead and greased my pan. I went ahead and preheat my oven for 350. Alright guys, so I went ahead and put some oil in the pot. We're just gonna cook up our seasoning real quick. Some people like to just go ahead and put everything in the oven along with the rib tip. I just like to cook mine on the stove and then put the rib tip on top and steam it down, because I'm cooking this with some rice, so I need to make the gravy. So the gravy is going to build with the meat in the pot. I can never get tired of how beautiful the colors look when I'm cooking. Now that our veggies have been seriously cooked up perfectly, we're going to go ahead and we're just going to place our meat on top. I coated it with some barbecue sauce. And the sauce and the seasoning from the pan, we're just going to go ahead and pour that. Just going to leave that to steam. This is my finished dish. I decided to serve it with wild black rice, asparagus, and some broccoli. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys so much for joining.